Templates are an advanced tool inside ProPlaintiff that keep your demand letters and medical chronologies consistent, professional, and always on brand. To get started, select Templates from the left-hand menu. At the dashboard, you'll see options to edit an existing template or create a new one. In this example, we'll build a new demand letter template. First, give your template a clear name so it's easy to identify later. Next, begin building the structure of your document. Add sections with titles and prompts, and refine them with subsections when more detail is needed. Use the default prompts as a starting point, or customize them for your firm's workflow. Add your firm's custom letterhead so every document starts with your branding. Insert signature blocks and contact information to ensure every letter closes professionally. Adjust fonts, colors, and formatting styles to match your brand identity. The quality of your documents depends on the quality of your prompts. Prompts define not just what's written, but how it's structured and styled. For example, one of our preset prompts guides the AI to create a professional introduction for a demand letter. It includes a salutation, a purpose statement, case identification, sets a professional tone, and a resolution intent. It also lists the required information, like the client's name, accident date, at-fault driver, and claim number, so nothing is left out. Finally, it provides layout instructions, 2 to 3 concise paragraphs, clear language, no legal jargon, and a smooth transition into the legal analysis. This structure creates a very clear guideline for how you expect the AI to respond and directs ProPlaintiff much like you would direct a colleague or understudy. With templates, you can standardize your documents, reinforce your brand, and save hours of drafting time. Start building your templates today and put ProPlaintiff to work for your firm.